So you've created your first macro. Please do not close your macro containing workbook, unless you test the macro and save it. Otherwise, you will lose the macro, and will have to create it again. In this video, I'll show how to test your macro. In the next video, you will learn how to save it. For learning how this macro was created, click the link of the video, given at the top right side of the screen. After creating the macro, we would like to view and test it. There are basically two methods, in which we can view the list of all the macros that we have created. In the first method, click the View tab. Then click this down arrow below the Macros tab, and hit the View Macros tab to open the Macros dialog box. In the macro name box, you can find the required list, since we have created just one macro, namely, Formatting Sales Report. The list would show this macro only. As soon as we create other macros, they will also be included in the list. Alternatively, hit Developer tab. Then click Macros tab, the same Macros dialog box will open, which was opened in the first method. Besides, you can also open this dialog box with the help of a shortcut key, Alt plus F8. Now we are all set to run and assess our newly created macro. Always run a newly created macro on a copy of the original worksheet. Keep the original worksheet intact. Open a copy of the original worksheet. On the left-hand side, there is an unformatted version. On the right-hand side, is given a sample formatted version. Please note that, for absolute references, it does not matter as to which cell of the worksheet is selected at the time of running the macro. The macro will always format the same range of cells for which it was created. That is C5 to E13 in this case. We can run the macro either by using the shortcut key or pressing the Run tab on Macro dialog box. For the current macro, the shortcut key is Ctrl plus A. Now, open an unformatted sales report. Press Ctrl plus A keys simultaneously. As soon as you do so, the unformatted table on the worksheet will be formatted immediately. Compare both the tables on the worksheet. You will not find any difference in them, except that their cell ranges are different. Now we will take another unformatted worksheet and run the macro by using Run tab in the Macro dialog box. Click Developer tab and then Macros tab to reach the macro dialog. After reaching the macro dialog box, we will find our macro in the macro name box, namely, Formatting Sales Report, which is currently the only macro in the box. Note that the report given in the worksheet is unformatted. Select the macro and press Run tab. The unformatted report has been formatted. Please do not close Excel unless you have saved your macro. For learning how to save a macro, click the link of the video given at the top right side of the screen. The said video is also given in the description.